way, no way. You are the same.
Hi guys, so this is a quick video on how I got this half up half down look by using my wig. I've been wearing this wig for a while now. Actually, it's a wig I had revamped. I have a video and I'll put it somewhere here of how I brought this wig back to life. It's a wig, it's not ponytail, it's not whatever, but we're going to show you how you can achieve a half up half look with a wig. And if you're seeing me for the first time, please go ahead, subscribe to me, turn on the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Let's get into the video.
Is this how you breathe?
I've been in this twist out since my last wash day routine, so it's actually how we make this thing work. So you need a net, just a regular net. I think this is like $1.99. Here in Philippines it's like 20 pesos. So we need this, and of course we need our wig. So like I told you, this is a wig, and for this you need a wig that has combs. So it has 3 combs in it. And you need a scrunchy. That's just basically what you need. So what I'm gonna do now is I put this net all over my hair, especially the hair I'm not gonna use. Just tuck that all in, tuck that all in, tuck that all in. So you're wondering, why am I leaving out this for? You will see in a bit why we are leaving out this for, ladies. And everything is tucked away. But I'm gonna push this back, and see the pins. I'm gonna use the pins to right there. Look for the other pins. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? And do same. The third thing. Okay, trying to make you guys see the struggle. That's the third pin right there. And then put it in. So our hair is secured, and you see our 4 babies. I unravel my twist out. I'm gonna take some hair, that much from the side, and also that much from the side, but we're gonna tie that up with my hair, my natural hair. So you see guys, it makes it look as if this thing is my real hair, but it ain't not. Put that in a bun if you want, like that, but I don't want a bun. But I don't want a bun, and your hair doesn't go anywhere. I just want that. So ready, guys. You can't even see which one is my hair, except I come really close. So this is my hair, and this is the wig hair. We just fluff it up. Okay. Half down hair with a wig in less than 3 minutes. So guys, I think I did a great job. I showed you how to save some money from going to go and buy a ponytail and getting. You have a kinky curly wig, whether long or short, lying around, you can achieve this. Just make sure it has the combs in it. So guys, this is me. I don't know. Anyway guys, this is it for this video. Thank you for your support. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.